Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Connect Plus.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
The camel is big. The ant is small. I can see a king and a queen. Look, the pyramid is big. The stone is small.
Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Camel, camel, camel. Key, key, key. Pyramids, pyramids, pyramids. Sphinx, Sphinx, Sphinx. Stones, stones, stones. King Tut, King Tut, King Tut. Queen Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
King, K, king, K, king, K. Key, key, key.
Kite, kite, kite.
Queen, Qu, queen, Qu, queen, Qu.
Quiet, quiet, quiet. Exercise 1. Look, trace and say.
Key, key, key.
Kite, kite, kite.
King Tut, King Tut, King Tut.
Quiet, quiet, quiet.
Queen Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti.
Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Look, it's big. Look, it's big. Look, it's small. Look, it's small.
Exercise 2. Which is smaller? Look and circle. Which is small? Which is big? Point to the pyramid on the left. Is it small? Yes. Circle the smaller pyramid.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and point.
Hello, I'm Zane. I live in Portside. Hello, I'm Zane. I live in Portside. Hello, I'm Eunice. I live in Luxor. Hello, I'm Eunice. I live in Luxor. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Adam. I live in Aswan.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Adam. I live in Aswan.
Hello, I'm Miriam. I live in Cairo. Hello, I'm Miriam. I live in Cairo. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Reem. I live in Alexandria.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Reem. I live in Alexandria. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and point. 1.
Hello, I'm Zane. I live in Portside.
2.
Hello, I'm Eunice. I live in Luxor.
3.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Adam. I live in Aswan.
4.
Hello, I'm Miriam. I live in Cairo.
5.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Reem. I live in Alexandria.
Triangle. 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 Square. 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 Rectangle. 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 Circle. Circle. Circle.
Exercise 1. Look and circle big. Exercise 2. Look and circle small. Look at each pair of shapes and to circle the smaller one in each case. Exercise 1. Follow and help the king tut.
Thanks for watching, and now we say goodbye.